Hey, this is Anthony from Crisp. So this short video, I'm going to show you how you can put your lead gen on autopilot using Crisp Chatbot. Let's get down to it. So once you've reached the plugin section, just create a new blank scenario and start to add your first block. Your first block will be a user message matches, right? So the patterns will be a star, which means that you want it to be triggered on every new messages coming from your users. Then you can choose the channel. We will choose chat, but it's up to you. Then the second block will be a condition, right? So at first we want to check if the website is available or not. It means that if there's someone from your team online or not. So we want it to be set as away. Once we've done this, we want it to add another condition, which is the day of the week condition. Okay, so we want it to be triggered on every day of the week except it's Saturday and Sunday. So we apply change, and then we add a last condition, which will be times of the day. Okay, so once your support is going offline, you want the chatbot to take the lead, right? So maybe it's 7 in the evening and it ends at 9 in the morning. So you apply change. And then you can set an action, which will first be a show compose action, and then you can add an insert action saying a message. Hey, I'm Crispy. The team isn't available at the moment, but leave us your email and we will get back to you. So you add that, you apply change, and then you had another action which will be a send message, but it will be an input field because you want to catch the user data, which is the email. So okay, once you've done that, you apply change, and then you had another event which will be a message action based on the field. Okay, here you had a star, which means that you want to catch every data that has been set in the field, and you want to memorize it as an email. Once you've done that, you had a last action block, which will be a set user email, and from the memory key, email. You save your draft, and then you can deploy, and it's working. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, it's quite easy to put your lead gen on autopilot using Crisp Chatbot. If you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel.